Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use the Arc browser, then watch this video. So the first thing I will do is I will open Edge. I always download any software on Edge or any app on Edge because Edge gives you the right recommendations, as in the recommendation to download, gives you the link to download from the one that is the original one which does not have any virus or malware. So click on this and click on download Arc for Windows. Then open the folder, right click and click on and run as administrator. Click yes and Arc should start downloading. Now the benefit for downloading Arc is that it is quite fast. It is faster than Google. Let us check for the result. Facebook, and we will open Facebook and you can see how fast it is. Let's open another site. Let's say for example we open zoom.com and there you go, zoom, and see how fast it opens. So folks, this is how we download and install Arc, and I suggest you install Arc because it is faster than Google Chrome or any other browser in the market at the moment. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.